ሶ ጋይስ በድጋሚ እንኳን አደረሳችሁ። ሶ ቤዚክሊ ማስበውን ነገር ልንገራችሁ where the tech is going. As you all know, software is dead. Software መስራት is not valuable anymore because anyone can build anything out of anywhere. So as a business model, building a software cannot be your business model ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም I can see it today and I can make it. So originality of your idea is pointless, and then you can't really open source or IP that workflow anymore because anyone could do that. And ሁለተኛ the tools you're building, ድሮ software you used to build stuff from the scratch. አሁን ላይ ግን the tools you're building somebody what people can use to build that ተቀይሯል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ software is dead. So software dead ከሆነ what's the next thing? ምንድነው like so where are we የምንሄደው? እኛ ሶፍትዌር ኢንጂነሮች ምንድነው የሚወጣን? ሶፍትዌር ቢዝነስ ያለን ሰዎች ምንድነው የምናረገው? ጉዳችን ፈላ። ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምናረገው የሚለውን this is my opinion. I think the next big thing በጣም ብዙ ሰዎች አይታችሁ ከሆነ በጣም ትልልቅ ካምፓኒዎች they're investing in this and they're preparing for this ቶኮኖሜትሪክሳቸውን ቴክኖሎጂዎቻቸውን ከዛ ደግሞ they're moving around on the agent commerce rather than human e-commerce. It's like more than where agents can come buy or rent a skill or act on the human spend some kind of cash and the big people are saying if you don't give your agents a bank account they will probably take it from you So this is my prediction personally. Being ready for your service or your product and being ready for agents where they can come to you, get that service or product on behalf of the human or on behalf of their master, and pay for that service ማለት ነው። ሶ ለሰው መሸጥና ቆምና በኤጀንቶች ለኤጀንቶች ሬዲ እንሆናለን ማለት ነው።